So I want to take a quick video of a project I've been working on. It is a memory searching editing program written in Rust. Primarily I started it as an exercise in improving my Rust, but this has always been something that I'm generally interested in. This is for Linux only. The only other tool that I'd found is ScanMem, which seems to be pretty slow most of the time. I think it's also relatively old, so I'm not going to hold that against it very much, but the gist of it is, so we're gonna start it up with civ as the program argument, and it gives you a list of a bunch of processes that it finds, and it looks like number 5 is what we're looking for. And let's just start by editing our gold. So to do that, there's a bunch of commands to search for different types of values. There's no help menu or anything, and the command line is really basic at the moment, but it gets the job done for now. So our gold is 429, so I just happen to know from previous interactions with this that it's stored as a 16-bit value, which is a short. So I can search for a short just with S, and do S429. Gives you the hex of what it's searching for. Okay, well, it's unable to read from the NVIDIA module for some reason. Anyways, 83,000 results, pretty fast. So let's change our gold just to give us something else to search for. 60, so now we're going to search for 369. Alright, 2 addresses. So, first one, second one. So, just from doing this before, I've learned that it is the second one. I should probably, in the future, I'll include what module these are a part of, but for now, this is good. So what we'll do is we want to write a 16-bit value, and one way to do that is write short, which is WS, this address, and we'll give ourselves 5,000 gold. Why not? And if we want to verify that, we can read short at that address, and it is indeed 5,000. So we go back to our game, buy something else, and sure enough. And if we read short again, 4910, so that's 100% our gold. So let's write short. So the most you can, the highest value you can get with a signed short is, I don't know, it's large, 65,000, maybe unsigned. But let's just do like 30,000. See if that works. Sweet, we have a ton of gold. So yeah, that's a quick demonstration. I don't know how these other values are stored. I have a feeling that these are, like for instance, if I wanted to see how much science I'm getting per turn, I doubt that's just something that you can edit. It's probably a sum of a bunch of other stuff, but you can do quite a lot just with changing your gold. But quick demonstration, I'll link the GitHub link below. I plan on eventually making a GUI for this, etc. One thing that's worth mentioning is that because this is written for Linux, it absolutely will work on Android. It does require root privileges. Part of the reason for that is because I do not use ptrace. So what effectively that means is I'm not attaching a debugger to the process. I'm really just using root privileges to directly read and write a process's memory, read its modules, etc., etc. But yeah, that's it. So I can print the current results. I can save off the results, save gold. Uh-oh. I'm not sure why it won't let me save that, but saved. Oh, restore gold. And I'll do print searches. I can also print the modules that modules that it's found in memory, which is all this stuff. It's not necessarily useful for somebody that's just using it to edit the game. But yeah, that's it. I'll probably do some more with this in the near future, and yeah, hope you enjoyed it. If you want to check it out, let me know. If you have any questions or want to maybe contribute, feel free. Take care.